Hello friends, welcome to HR Garden. Today I am going to tell you how to take chrysanthemum cutting. You can take the cutting of chrysanthemum from June to August. June and July is the right time for taking the cuttings. These are my mother plant. From here you can take 2 to 3 inch of cutting. Okay, like this. I have taken some cuttings, so you can see. So this is 2 to 3 inches approximately. Taken one stem also. So I have taken long this cutting, and from this top part I have taken one cutting, and this is the lower part. So from here also you can propagate the new plant. So just remove these leaves, and you don't need to remove all the leaves, and at least you need to bury one of the node in soil so that from here root grows. You can plant this cutting in 100% sand or 100% garden soil, or you can mix it. It is up to you. I am taking 10% of compost and 90% of fine sand. I am going to take 6-inch well drainage pot. There are few cuttings, so I have taken well drainage 6-inch pot. You can take the size of pot according to the number of cuttings. I am going to make a hole with this pen. You can use your finger also. You can use a stick also. It is up to you. And I am going to plant this cutting in this medium. I am not using any rooting hormone. You can use rooting hormone also. Make sure that cutting are at least 2 inches apart. I am going to water them gently with a sprayer. Don't water too much and do it slowly. I have finished taking the cuttings, so I'll keep this in a shade. So thank you friend. Welcome to HR Garden friend. I am here to give you the update of my chrysanthemum cuttings after 22 days. This is the cutting. Time to time I used to spray the water, and once I added little bit of compost also. Now let's check the cutting. Now slowly I am going to pull out this cutting. Okay, root has come, you can see. So I'll just take out this. See, as you can see, the roots out here. Now you can see the roots in all this cutting is nicely developed. From the stem also you can see new shoot has come. I am going to transplant this cutting in this small pot for the time being. Taking 20% compost and 80% garden soil, I am transplanting this cutting in small well drainage pot. So thank you friend. Welcome to HR Garden friend. This is the update of chrysanthemum cutting which I have transplanted 1 month before. Now it's time to transfer them in bigger pot. I am going to transfer it in 6-inch well drainage pot. For transplanting them in 6-inch pot, I am going to take 1 part of compost, 1 part of garden soil, 1 part of fine sand. Now I am going to take this out of the pot slowly, do it slowly, so you can see this is the condition. So now I am going to repot it without breaking root ball. So you just repot it safely in bigger pot. Friends, I have finished repotting. So while repotting, I mixed fungicide with a potting mixture. After 15 days I'll give liquid mustard cake fertilizer. Plants get attacked by pest, so spray neem oil after every 15 days. After 20 days I am going to pinch this plant so that it get bushier, and after 45 days or 2 months I'm going to repot it for the last time in 18 spot. Afterwards I'm going to give you the update of this plant. This is it for today. Keep watching HR Garden. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Stay safe. Take care of yourself. Thank you.